Hey everyone, how's it going? Christina here. Welcome back to another video on the crypto channel. Hope you're all doing well today. So Caspa has really had quite a month. I have the 1 month view up here, as you can see. And, no surprise here. It has been a red month for the project, down 15.13%, starting around 5 cents towards mid-October and then going all the way down to about 0.045 now as we are in mid-November. So that is kind of the 1 month view there for Caspa, significantly down. We're now in the 4 cent range. I don't know if it will go below 4 cents, and I don't know when it will go above 4 cents or 5 cents. I kind of stopped predicting time when it comes to Caspa because every time I did that, it would do the exact opposite. And I don't think if there's any influencer, investor, developer right now, someone in the crypto space who is predicting like times for Caspa and prices, don't believe them. They don't know what they're talking about. No one knows what's going to happen with Caspa in terms of time and price right now. It's up in the air. Okay, there's no indication of where this is going and when. I don't say that to say I'm losing my conviction in Caspa. I reiterate this in every video. I hold quite a bit and I will continue to hold it because I think the fundamentals behind Caspa are fantastic. So I still believe in the project and what it can do. And I don't think it is a matter of if, I still think it's a matter of when this project will move forward the way we want to see it move forward. But I'm also not going to sit here and give you false timelines and, false price ranges and this or that, and then, cause you guys to just be disappointed, right? A year ago, year and a half ago, everyone was doing, price predictions, time ranges for Caspa. We were saying, oh, $1, $2, $5, whatever. And we were really excited about it. And, I still have excitement around Caspa, and I do think it could still do very, very well this bull cycle, but I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, it's going to $5. And I think, or $3 or whatever. And I think if there's any influencers who are doing that, they are not being truthful. And I don't say that because I don't think it's going to hit those price points. I just think that we don't know like the exact details right now. So I'm not going to talk details when we're not sure yet. Is there a high probability? Yes. I'm not saying it's not going to happen. I just think that we have to be realistic here and we just have to take it day by day. So when I want to move over to just some X posts here, just kind of giving a brief update for the week for what people are saying about Caspa. So this is from someone on X. His name is Scape. It says, safe to say Caspa bottom is in. No greater indicator than the stage of anger followed by depression. Bitcoin cycle top is not in. SOPR is consolidating, signaling a powerful move is coming. The rally delay is due to new whale accumulation. Look for SOPR to break its convergence and hit the 1.075 red line. That's the final peak signal. This is from YStan. Crypto cycles are brutal. Yes, they are. Most investors don't survive them. The ones who do always bet early on real fundamentals. Then he has Caspa, Tau. Caspa and Tau are here. I made it. Yeah, it's bigger now. So Caspa and Tau are the only projects in this market showing consistent growth, backed by real tech, not marketing noise. If you ignore them now, you'll study them later in someone else's success story. Caspa market is down, buy. Market is up, hold. Market is going wild, sell. Crypto rewards the brave who can wait. My dear Caspa family worldwide, stay strong. I love that post. I'm going to read it again. That's how much I love this. Caspa market is down. Buy. Market is up. Hold. Market is going wild. Sell. Crypto rewards the brave who can wait. My dear Caspa family worldwide, stay strong. I love that. Here's another one from Cry Ash. Caspa, don't forget Caspa thrives during the bear market. We have more down to go than sideways for a while. Early mid next year, I think we might start trending upwards. People are still up thousands of percentages on this project. Yeah, I mean, there could be a delay. Obviously it's a delay, so we could have a delayed pump here. You know, um, Still lacking in those prominent tier one exchanges, so I don't really know what's going to happen there. I do think Caspa really needs Binance and Coinbase, and I know there was some talk around um, the developer of Caspa being invited to speak at a Binance, I think it was conference. Uh, my good friend Freeman Finance, if you know his YouTube, he did a really great video on this explaining everything and all the details. But I think what happened was the um, developer of Caspa was invited to speak at like a Binance. I don't know if it was a summit or a conference or something or whatever, and he declined and his reasoning was basically like you can list all these projects that are not even like some are not even like weeks old in some cases, but you can't list Caspa. So not that there's like hard beef there between them, but um that the Caspa dev declined that, and I kind of don't blame them. It needs, it does have Kraken, but it really, really needs it even I'd say would need crypto.com and uh definitely Coinbase for this to really, really go mainstream. Now like with these projects that are launching, like maybe low caps, the centralized exchanges aren't like that needed. Like they're not as focused on centralized exchanges anymore because you could do a lot with the decentralized and they just kind of don't build in that way as much anymore. I'm not saying centralized exchanges aren't important, but um you know, Caspa came around at a time where building with listings was extremely important. So I think because it started that way, it needs to finish that way with those last three big tier ones. I don't even know about Robinhood, maybe Robinhood too, but definitely crypto.com, Binance, and Coinbase. And where's crypto.com right now? Cryptoexchange.com. That's a question I have. Why is it not listed on that? It's usually Kraken and crypto.com comes around the same time Kraken does. Kraken kind of leads the path for crypto.com or vice versa. Where's crypto.com here? I, I feel like some of these exchanges are not listing it on purpose. I don't want to go there, but it's like why are we not listing Caspa? It's one of the greatest projects there is in the entire market. So, back to the all-time chart here, still looking bullish. Yes, it's down. It's not down, down, down though. And, a lot of people did make money on this, but it's down and it's down from where we saw it would be this year and significant delays with this, but just hold, guys. Do not sell your Caspa. It's really important that you hang on to this. Hold on to it. Don't even think about it. Just if you want to top off your bags, I say this every Caspa video, top off your bags a little bit and just put it to the side. Don't even worry about it. Don't even, touch it. Just leave it. And I think at some point in the future, we will be rewarded for that. I really, really hope so. So I will keep you posted on this as I always do. One of my favorite projects to cover. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. Just a few things before I end this video as well. My Discord and one-on-one coaching links are available down in the description section on this video if you're interested. We have a really great Discord going so far, lots of perks, so definitely check that out. And my one-on-one coaching has also been going great so far. A little more of a personal one-on-one line of communication with me if you're interested in that. So definitely check out that link as well. And of course, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is so, so appreciated. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.